And what we're going to talk about is the fact that for a very long time, when people thought about biology and just the origin of life itself, right, which is one of the key questions of this course, people had this idea that life can be spontaneously generated. Okay. And I'll return to this idea a little later, but basically it's not such a crazy idea, right? If you have mud and goopy stuff, at some point you come back and there's flies crawling on it, right? If you leave some trash outside your house, next thing you know there's some maggots, it just sort of looks like where did they come from? They emerge from this putrefying stuff. Okay, and so this idea that life can basically sort of spontaneously generate out of mud and goop is something that's been with people for a very long time. We now, of course, no longer believe that this is true, and a big step in this direction to figure this out was the invention of the microscope. Much like the invention of the telescope sort of changed the way we see the universe when we look out, the invention of that's a very similar technology of manipulating lenses and therefore manipulating light allowed us to see things that were too small to ever before been seen, and it revealed to us that on very small scales, stuff is alive. There's little things alive in water, for example, that you never knew was there. Eventually, as technology got better, people began to understand the origin of heredity and how that links fundamentally into how life works. And eventually, the understanding of genes and DNA gets us close to the modern era. I'm going to touch on this at the very end of the lecture, I think, if I have time, but we're going to return to this again a little bit later in the course. This is just sort of a touching sort of introduction to the ideas. So, as I mentioned before, this idea of spontaneous generation has been with us a very long time. Surprise, surprise, it comes from, our first recorded instance of talking about this idea comes to us from our old friend Aristotle, who again had it wrong, even though he was smart. So the idea is that animals spontaneously emerge from putrefying earth in vegetable matter. And like I mentioned, this is our crazy idea. Okay, you take a piece of raw meat and you throw it outside. Next thing you know, you got flies and maggots all over the thing. And all you knew is they came from it. They were sort of born of this sort of rotting meat. You can see this even in writing that goes through to the Renaissance. Like this is a quote from Antony and Cleopatra from Shakespeare. Your serpent of Egypt is bred now of your mud by the operation of your sun. So is your crocodile. So what they're talking about here is you've got the mud of the Nile that's generating sort of the source of life that's generating all these things. Right? It's a very common idea that